Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is Coal India to introduce conveyor belts. Recently, Coal India Limited or CIL introduced a concept called first mile connectivity. Under this concept, the traditional way of transporting coal from the silos and washeries to railway sidings will be replaced by large conveyor belts. The aims for introducing conveyor belts are to reduce carbon emission and to ensure safe transportation of coal. Now, information about CIL, that is Coal India Limited. The state-owned coal mining corporate came into being in November 1975. CIL functions through its subsidiaries in 84 mining areas spread over 8 states of India. It contributes to 85% of total domestic coal production and 75% of total coal-based generation. It contributes to 55% of total power generation and meets 40% of the primary commercial energy requirements of the country.